Tappy activated. Hey, my crypto crew! How about we finally process all the ways you can use NFTs? NFTs, aka non-fungible tokens, started as digital art and collectibles, but these days they are much more. But I'll share these files a bit later. Digital collectibles are the most familiar use of NFTs. They allow digital art, in-game assets, and other virtual items to be owned and traded. I'll break it down into bytes. Friends, artists can tokenize their work, creating unique digital art pieces that are forever linked to their creator via the blockchain in collections like CryptoPunks and Bored Ape Yacht Club. NFTs have also transformed gaming. Now, players own in-game items like avatars, weapons, and skins, which can be sold or traded outside the game. Holy scrap metal, I didn't know it was possible. Digital pets are back too, this time as NFTs. Games like CryptoKitties let you breed and trade virtual cats. Keep in your memory circuits virtual real estate. Worlds like Decentraland and the Sandbox are growing, and NFTs are used to buy plots of land and virtual real estate. One plot in the Sandbox was sold for over $4 million. Brands are experimenting with NFTs to create exclusive digital rewards for their customers. These NFTs could offer such perks as access to special events, exclusive products, or digital collectibles. It sounds like digital perfection to me. For example, Taco Bell has dabbled in NFTs to boost customer engagement, and Nike patented CryptoKicks, which ties NFTs to limited edition physical sneakers. Good news for those whose hard drive is filled with music files. Musicians can tokenize songs, albums, and even exclusive merchandise as NFTs, selling them directly to fans, cutting out the middleman, and keeping a larger share of the profits. If you're meticulous about your exterior cover, worry not. Fashion brands are jumping on the NFT bandwagon too. People are buying virtual clothes to dress their avatars in the metaverse and wear on social media platforms. Gucci sold a virtual bag on the platform Roblox for over $4,000, which is more expensive than the real-life version. Information overload. See you soon. Tappy deactivated.